Right, hi guys, welcome to my part 2 of playing Red Dead Story Mode. So, we're gonna carry on with what we're doing. Now, we're gonna do this mission. You might know it. Okay, let's start off.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up. He's strong, and he's smart. Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're all we're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed. He looked for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
2 hours ago. Most.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets.
Whoa, raining bullets?
Take it slow. Big ravine here. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
The tracks lead this way, Arthur. We continue along the cliff wall here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. Damn snow's coming in hot again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
So we're looking for John Marston. John Marston from Red Dead 1.
Come on, boy. Horses struggling.
Yeah, A lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Now let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there. Come on there.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that? John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us. Come on! Up there! He's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I'd grab that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead? Come on.
So John Marston from Red Dead 1.
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Watch out here. Yeah, that we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Drops down here. Watch yourself. It's slippery. Be careful.
Slippery.
Watch your head here. Okay, from here.
Watch your step. It's real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up here. Come on. Come on. That sounds closer now. Come on. We're coming, John!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Let me up. No, excuse me. Cliff. How did you let him up but you didn't let me up? Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me up. There we go. Jesus.
Dang, it's cold.
How you doing?
I'm miserable. Been a tough few days.
I know. Here. Take a drink of that.
Thanks.
Not designed for this snow. Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, can you hear me?
Marston!
John!
Marston, you hear me?
Over here! Down on the ledge! That's John! We're coming! Down here! Hey!
All right. Hot down, Marston. That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. Freezing. Don't Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well, can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight? Can't argue with you there. See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this. I'm sure you did.
You all right?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Yes. Oh no.
You see that on the ridge?
You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
Come on, wolves.
All right,
Here
John, come
for
on.
fight.
Let's get going, boys.
Over here!
We're getting you out of here.
Stay there!
Got 'em all. Good work, Arthur. Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
John is fine.
Come on, then. Let's get back to the others.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
You know a fella? Got bit by a dog. Died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
Well, what a coincidence. From Red Dead 1.
Up there? More of them. Look out on the right. More coming in on the left. Fuera.
Get out of here!
How am I missing? Oh. One aim.
You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Come
Jesus.
on.
You still with us, Marston? Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time. Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar. So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you. Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on!
Jeez.
Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go.
Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank
You
you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on here, Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Okay. I'm gonna do one more mission and cut this video. Very tired today.
We've been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait to thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Funny joke there. Ooh, is there anything in these cupboards? Don't mind if I do.
We get strong, we get warm, and we wait. When the storm breaks, we move. We're safe here. Warm and... I guess.
Just drinking something.
You sound doubtful.
Not doubtful, just worried.
We have been shut in before, Hosea. I don't feel that this is honestly anything new.
I hope not.
That's it. I'm gonna end it off here. And I'll see you guys on the next one later today. And bye.